Hi, we have arrived in Hythe, and this is the flat where we're staying in Marine Parade. This is the, I don't know, the corridor. And then we've got one of the bedrooms here with 2 single beds. And with a sea view, but you can't really see from here. This is the living area. Little sofa, TV, lovely fireplace. And if we go here, and that's the sea view. It's cold though. Ooh, look, balcony area. Oh my goodness, it is chilly. Okay, and little deck chairs as well. And then let's go back in. And let's follow around. Okay, then we've got a kitchen over here. Oops, bit of me. If we fancy some washing, we can. His bathroom is currently occupied, I think. Oh no, it isn't. There's the bathroom. And there's one more master bedroom. And here is the master bedroom, which does not have the sea view. It has a... don't know, let me try and move the blind away. A little park down the side. Oh, can't open that. And that's it. See you soon. Well, actually, might not see you soon. Depends who's watching. Bye.